Alright, since we covered 98462 and 87546 in the Lone Engine group, now it's time for the other green engine. Here we are with the other green engine. Now then, the only London and Northeastern Railway engine I see him as is an LNER B4. But he's not an LNER in my universe. Instead, he's an LBSCR. And which LBSCR is he? You guessed it, an LBSCR K class. Number 381, with the words LBSCR on his tender. So yeah, that's my ideal other green engine. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace!